Hello friends, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to solve this equation containing sort. What we have here is root x plus root 3 is equal to root 2x plus 5. Now, what I can do first is to get rid of the square root. But it's easier to get rid of this square root here. So what I will do is to square both sides to get rid of the square root. Now, if you do that, I'm going to have what? The square of this, you see that now, plus or is equal to this here, all squared. Now watch this. This square will cancel the square root. Now what about this? You cannot cancel like this. That will be wrong. So I'm going to use algebraic identity. When you have, say, a plus b all squared, and you want to expand this, from one of the algebraic identities, this can be, you can choose to expand it normally, but to hasten things up, this is also, you square this, a squared plus 2, and then a times b. So that's plus 2ab, then plus what? The last term in the bracket, then you square it, b squared. This is actually a very popular algebraic identity. So that's what I'm going to be doing here, so that it will just sort of hasten the expansion of this. Let's do that. Remember, the first one squared, a squared. So we square this one. That will be root x squared. All right. What's the next one? Plus 2ab. That's what? Plus 2 times this 2. So that's root x times what? Root 3. Then plus what? What's the last one? B squared. So the last term you square it, which means I'm going to square root 3, which is equal to what? Remember, this square has already cancelled the square root. So what do I have? I have 2x plus 5. Now let's simplify this. Root x raised to power 2, of course, you can cancel like this now, but not like that here. So this one will also cancel the square root. So what do we have? We have just x plus 2. X times 3, you can actually multiply. If you have root a times root b, you can rewrite this as what? The square root of a b, or a times b. So that's what I'll do here. This will be what? The square root of 3x, and then plus 3, which is equal to 2x plus 5. Now, let me tell you this. Keep this one that has this square root, because we're still going to square it. You see this one, x and 3, move them to the other side, or subtract x, subtract 3, so that they will be out of here, right? So what do I have? I have that 2 root 3x is equal to, let's just rewrite this, 2x plus 5. So what you have here, if you take away x from both sides, you have negative x here, or you move x to the other side, move 3 to the other side, you have negative 3. Now we have that 2 root 3x is equal to 2x minus x is x. And then 5 minus 3 is what? Plus 2. I will now square both sides to get rid of the square root here. So let's square this one and then square this. If you square this side, see, this can be written as 2 squared times root 3x squared. So which is equal to, see, I'm also going to use this algebraic identity here again. So we square this 2 times, the 2 times, then plus b squared. So that will be what? X squared, okay, plus 2, then times 2x. 2x, this is times, plus what now? 2 squared, using this algebraic identity. Now what do we have? 2 squared is what? 4. So we have 4. This square will cancel the square root. I have 3x, which is equal to x squared, 2 times 2x is 4x. And 2 squared is what? 4. If you rearrange everything, let's move all this to the other side. You're going to have 0 is equal to x squared. 4 times 3x is what? 12x. Let's have that in mind. So that's plus 4x. Move this over, you have minus what? 12x, then plus 4. This 12x is coming from 4 times 3x. Take note of that. So you have 0 is equal to x squared. 4x minus 12x is what? Negative 8x, and then plus 4, which is equal to what? 0. Let's move this to the other side of the board, and let's continue from there. Now let me rewrite this. So we have x squared minus 8x plus 4 is equal to 0. I'm going to use the quadratic formula here because I cannot factorize this. So if you want to do that, x is equal to minus b from the formula, the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. If you compare this with this, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of a quadratic equation. So when you do that, a is the coefficient of x squared, so a is 1. What about b? b is negative 8, all right, and c is what? 4. So x is equal to negative, b is negative 8, plus or minus b squared, that's negative 8 squared, minus 4. I'll just use dot for times a is what? 1, then times c is 4, all divided by 2a, or a is what now? A is 1, so times 1. Now x is equal to negative times negative 8 is what? 8, plus or minus the square root of negative 8 squared is 64. 4 times 1 times 4 is what? 16, all divided by 2. X is now equal to 8 plus or minus 64 minus 16 is 48. So we have root 48, but I will write 48 as 16 times 3 because I want to write because I want to express 48 as a product of a perfect square and another number. So that's what? 16 times 3 all over 2. So x is equal to 8 plus or minus. The square root of 16 is 4. So I can rewrite this as 4 root 3, then over 2. Finally, we can just do this. X is equal to 8 plus 4 root 3 over 2, or x is equal to what? 8 minus, because of plus or minus 4 root 3 over 2. Now this is x is equal to, we can rewrite this as 8 over 2 plus 4 root 3 over 2, or x is equal to what? 8 over 2 minus 4 root 3 over 2. So x is equal to 4, 8 over 2 is what? 4, plus 2 into 4 is 2, so you have 2 root 3. What about this? Do the same thing here. X is equal to what? 2 here is 4, and 2 into 4 is 2, that's 2 root 3. So what we have here and this are the two values that will satisfy this equation. I hope you found this video helpful. Kindly share this video to your friends and family. Give this page a follow, and I will see you in the next video. It's bye for now.